10 Fun Facts About Birds. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Pigeons can recognize human faces. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It can grow up to 9 feet tall. Birds have hollow bones which help them fly. Peregrine falcon is the fastest animal in the sky. It has been measured at speeds above 186 miles per hour, but only when stooping or diving. The world's slowest flying bird is the American woodcock. The eagle is called the king of birds, but this title has also been given to the Philippine eagle. Parrots taste with the tops of their beaks. The feathers of a mourning dove are loosely attached to their skin and serve as a means of escape by easily pulling free when grabbed by a predator. Most birds sleep between 10 to 12 hours.